You leave the aircraft, pull the red tab to inflate the vest. If you leave the aircraft through an overwing exit, do not inflate the vest until you're outside the Please keep your seatbelts fastened until we have reached our final parking position and the seatbelt signs above your head have been turned off. Captain Haas and the entire crew would like to take the opportunity to thank you for choosing Lufthansa and the Star Alliance for your flight today. We hope that you have enjoyed this flight with us and that you also got some rest. And we wish you now a pleasant remaining day here in Istanbul and the surrounding area, or a good and safe onward journey.